Track 6, Part 1. Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the Travel Show. Today, I'm talking to Anna Cox from Cambridge, who has recently taken part in the Summer Cultural Exchange Programme. Good afternoon, Anna.
Good afternoon.
Anna, where can students go on the Summer Cultural Exchange Programme?
Well, students can travel to France or Spain on a language exchange or to the USA on a sports or music exchange. I didn't go to the USA because I'm not very good at sports. However, I study French and Spanish at school, so I had two options. I've been to France before, so I decided to go to Spain instead.